In the previous sessions, we have discussed about Hedu, Paksha, Pakshadharmada, Paramarsha, Vyapti, etc. Among this, Vyapti is very important. Vyapti is nothing but it is a relation between two things. These two things are related in such a way that either they should exist together or they should not. The relation between two things, the condition of relation is that either they should exist together or they should not. Like the example that was given before, Yatra yatra dhuma tatra tatra agni, idi sahajarya nemo vyapti. This means wherever there is smoke, there is fire. This coexistence relation between fire and smoke is called Vyapti. Here, Vyapti is again explained based on two terms that you have to understand. One is Vyabhaga, second is Vyapya. Vyabhaga and Vyapya. In this case, fire is considered as Vyabhaga and smoke is considered as Vyapya. Vyabhaga means the greater extensive thing. Vyapya means the lesser extensive thing. Now, you will understand with the help of an example. As per the definition of Vyapti, wherever there is smoke, there should be fire. Now, this is a lighter. There is fire, but there is no smoke. We have explained that fire is Vyabhaga or greater extensive thing and smoke is Vyapya. This means that fire can exist without smoke in the case of a lighter. Means Vyabhaga can exist without Vyapya, but Vyapya will only exist if there is a Vyabhaga. Fire can exist without smoke, but smoke cannot exist without fire. This is the difference between Vyabhaga and Vyapya. Now you should be clear. Based on the relationship between Vyabhaga and Vyapya, Vyapti is divided into two: Sama Vyapti and Vishama Vyapti. Coming to Sama Vyapti. When two things in Vyapti are having equal denotations, then that Vyapti is considered as Sama Vyapti. You will understand with an example. Human being is a intelligent being. This can be also said as an intelligent being is a human being. Here, the human being and intelligence, they coexist each other. There is not too much more in this side and too much more in this side. They are equal. This type of existence is called Samavyapti. Coming to an end to Anumana Pramana Series 1 Part 5, and to be continued in Anumana Pramana Series 1 Part 6.